Hi guys, today let's talk about a powerful tool that is free pero kayang magbago ng life mo, which is called visualization. Pero hindi basta ini-imagine lang ha. Kailangan kasama mo siyang mafe-feel kasi kapag puso at utak mo ang nag-connect sa'yo, mabilis mo siyang maa-attract ang visions mo. Ako, bago ko na manifest tong bahay na to, which is I'm currently living it right now, napakadami kong binrowse na Pinterest images ng dream house ko. And to the point na nag-invest pa rin ako nag-rent ako ng mga Airbnb dun sa mga dream houses ko para mas ma-refresh yung utak ko at ma-visualize ko kung ano yung amoy ng room, ano yung itsura ng room. So, kapag may emosyon na kasama, mas mabilis, mas naniniwala yung subconscious mind mo na possible talaga yung binivisualize mo. As Albert Einstein once said, imagination is everything. It is the preview of your life's coming attractions. So tonight, bago ka matulog, visualize your goals. Feel the joy, the gratitude as if you already have it. See it, feel it, and live it every day. So yun lang. Stay hopeful and stay grounded. Bye-bye.